Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a website using Webflow. Webflow is an incredibly powerful visual development platform that empowers you to design, build, and launch responsive websites without writing a single line of code. It's perfect for designers, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want full creative control and a robust content management system. We'll cover the easy method to get your site live quickly. To begin, you'll either choose a blank canvas for complete freedom or select one of Webflow's many professionally designed templates to kickstart your project. The Webflow Designer is where the magic happens, providing a powerful drag-and-drop interface. You can easily add and arrange elements, then customize their appearance using the intuitive Style panel, adjusting colors, fonts, and spacing with precision. Designing in Webflow gives you granular control. You'll use the box model to precisely manage element dimensions, padding, and margins, ensuring perfect layouts. It's crucial to make your site fully responsive, adapting seamlessly to desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Plus, you can easily add engaging interactions and animations, bringing your design to life and creating a truly dynamic user experience for your visitors. Once your design is perfect, launching your Webflow site is straightforward. You can connect your own custom domain name or use Webflow's secure subdomain for hosting. Don't forget to optimize your website for search engines using the platform's built-in SEO tools, helping people find your site. Finally, with just one click, your beautiful, functional website will be live and ready for the world to see.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.